guys, this is Mani here with Naganand. He is the founding partner at Ideaspring Capital. Here at SAS Bhumi, wanted to tell you guys real quick about a USA go-to-market workshop where we're doing together along with Peer Capital and Tie Bengaluru. This is in Bangalore on the 20th of March, and literally a couple of weeks from now. Naganand, why are we collaborating? Why do you think we're working on this together?
See, I think the US GTM is very complex, at the same time very, very important for any founders who is in India, based in India and wanting to sell in the US market. I think this workshop will be extremely helpful for them to understand the playbooks and most importantly see how to operationalize it from their own perspective.
Yeah.
I mean, I strongly encourage the SaaS founders who are looking at the US market to come and participate and learn from this workshop, and look forward to meeting many founders on March 20th at Ideaspring office.
Yeah. Thanks again, and so again, to register, you can go to www.kwanzoo.com/USA-GTM-workshop. Look forward to seeing you guys.
Great.
Thank you.
See you there.